Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Intel graphics driver on Windows, and this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go to Device Manager, and on Device Manager you want to make sure to know what processor you have. So for me, I have a 13th generation Intel Core. And now you want to also click on display adapters and find your Intel Ultra HD graphics, and you want to go ahead and click update driver. Now when you search for automatically, most of the time it doesn't really find the update, so we can do this by browsing your computer and by downloading this. So you want to go to your browser, go to intel.com and just search for the graphics. I can leave this in the description for you to click on. And basically you want to go ahead and click on your Windows which you are using. So for example, I'm using Windows 11, and you want to go ahead and find your processor family. So this one is for me right there, and this is the graphics, the latest version of graphics driver. So I'm gonna click on it. Now all you have to do is just click download and download it, and after that you want to click browse my drivers, and here you want to browse for the specific driver, pick it up, click next, and update your drivers. And that's basically it, how you do this. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.